Hello everyone, I wanted to show you guys today the multi-map feature inside of Moddio. Now, in this game, everything looks normal and everything kind of looks the same as the kind of hunt and gather template. But that is actually not the case. So we've already set up the multi-map feature. If you don't know how, we have a video on that on the channel, so go check it out. But the basic idea here that I want to show you is that right now I am in level 1. Now, this level actually has its own new script. Well, I say new, but it's actually just copied. So when this game starts, we now create the trees and the rocks in this map. Now, the reason I wanted to show this is because now what we can do is in this world script, we have these actions. And it's kind of an issue in a sense where anything that is in the world will happen for any map that we have in our game. Any map that we have, any script in that will only happen for that map. So if I get rid of these and delete these guys, because these are in the world script, they're going to spawn anything inside of our world and our map, right? Now, usually things like unit death, maybe we'll keep that in the world because that's something we want to keep amongst all the maps, right? But if we want to spawn only certain trees and rocks inside of this scene, I'm going to just resave and publish, then we only want to do that inside of the map scripts. But you can see here that our world script did not change. Now the reason is because we need to actually switch back to our new, like our world area. So let's switch back. And then let's change the script in there. So let's go over here and delete action, save and apply. And we should just, save and apply. And now let's actually switch back to level 1. And I don't even think we have to republish. We can just see it immediately. We'll hit play. Okay, so I republished. It just seemed like I had to republish. And yeah, that's basically it. Now we have our scripts working. We can see here the script is gone. And in here, we only spawn 8 trees. And you can see that is the case inside of our game. And that's the basic idea. So anything that I put inside of my world will happen in any of my maps, but anything I put in my maps will only happen inside of that map. So now I believe if I switch back to the world, once I'm back in my world, we see that we do not have any trees, any rocks, because in my world script, I'm not spawning them. And so you would probably want to move other things like, let's say here we're just destroying. So this could stay here, but here spawn creeps. This we would move to maybe the map, right? Obviously I don't have the map here, but I have the level 1. So I would go back to level 1 and copy this script into my level 1 script or into my level 1 world map, essentially, and have that there, right? So I would want these certain specific scripts to exist inside of certain maps. But if there's something that's global, so for example, here I have this inflict damage function, where if something gets attacked, we want to show like a little floating text. That's pretty useful for every map. So we'll keep that in the world map, right? So that's basically it. If you guys have any further questions, comment down below. If you guys want to see other video requests or anything else, comment down below again. And make sure to like, share, and comment down below.